Okay, we got all those hemlock logs cut up that I'm going to use for siding on the log cabin style workshop that I'm going to build. The reason I cut those first was I wanted to see if I had enough to make the amount of siding I needed, and I am a little short. I found yesterday a standing dead hemlock up there that I'm going to cut down and see what it looks like inside. And if that's all right, I think I can get enough out of that without cutting that live one that's leaning real bad up there. That's going to fall some year, but I've been saying that for about 5 years now. It's on the side hill and it's leaning pretty bad. Nice hemlock, but I'm not going to cut it unless I really need it because it's still live. And most of this project so far, all this project so far has been from blown down trees. And I want to see how close I can get to getting everything I need to build this building from what Mother Nature gave us during storms and blowed down. This yellow pine log here, which is one of the ones you seen me drag out, that was from that hung up yellow pine that's hung in the white pine. We're going to start cutting 2x6s for floor joist now. I have a material list here. It looks like I need to build that box for the floor 50 2x6 by 10s. So we'll see what we can get out of the logs we have up there, and we'll start cutting these 2x6s out of this one. This is one of the bigger ones, I guess, or mid-sized ones. So we'll get started on this.